Have you ever asked yourself how to highlight an entire row based on the presence of data in a single cell? This can be incredibly useful. Let me show you how it's done. Step 1. Select your entire range, then go to Conditional Formatting and click on New Rule. In here, go all the way down and click on Use a Formula to determine which cells to format. Now we spice it up a bit and combine the AND with the Count A function. What we want to do in this table is to have the entire row highlighted whenever a room is marked as out of service in column J. And in addition to that, it must have data in one of the columns from F to I, so we use J4 and the range F4 to I4 since those are the cells located in the first row. And set this bigger than 0. And finally, click on Format and select whatever color you like. Let's just take this yellow right here. Then click on OK and here on OK again. There you go. Now, whenever there is some data in a row that has in the status column the text out of service, and there is an entry in one of the column from F to I, then the entire row gets highlighted. You see how useful this can be? In this case, it can help you out to not make any mistakes when keeping track of your hotel room bookings. Oh, and don't forget to share this post and follow us for daily Excel tips and tricks.